My name is Cecilia Onyango. I'm a professor of horticulture in the Department of Plant Science and Crop Protection, University of Nairobi.
I am Dr. John Oredo. I am a lecturer at University of Nairobi, Department of Information Science. I specialize in information systems, and that is also my area of research. And currently we are also doing a lot of research using systematic reviews around information systems. I am also a facilitator for the AgriFoSe and University of Nairobi systematic literature review course.
I think it was in 2018 when I got trained on systematic review. Initially, when you undergo training, your PhD, and maybe as a young scientist, you always think you know how to review literature, but not in a systematic way. And so this is when I got really to be trained and the importance of doing a review systematically, because it was more of a research and not just getting information and documenting what others have written, but there's a methodology involved in there such that another person who will want to even repeat what you did, it has been systematically documented, and so they can use that method to get all the information that you got. Initially, as a student or as a researcher, you think that when you review literature, you just want to get insights of what others have said. But that's not true for the systematic review, because I realized that you can review literature to actually inform policy and practice. I think maybe because I had already gotten a training on translating science to policy, I realized that you go into literature, you get information that could be relevant to inform policy, but also to inform practice, because this is evidence that has been documented, but maybe has not been given out to the relevant audiences.
Systematic literature review is becoming a genre of research by itself, and many disciplines are getting into systematic reviews as a way of identifying research questions or answering research questions. And therefore, as a university, we realize that our postgraduate students and our researchers need to get skills to enable them conduct effective research using systematic literature reviews by itself as an independent research, or just to support them when they are developing their proposals for the rest of research, especially postgraduate students. And therefore, we felt the need to have this course so that we can empower our researchers to do this kind of reviews in an effective manner.
And the other thing, as a scientist, the literature review really, the systematic literature review, I realized that it's possible to identify gaps, because you're looking at several studies that have been done and collecting them and then getting to tease out what are these gaps that could inform future research, but maybe also to tell you what are these areas that have been neglected in terms of science.
We are getting confident with time that in future we'll be able to take over the course and run it independently from University of Nairobi. But we still hope to engage our partners in SLU to keep on giving us that support whenever we need it.
This is a course that was new to me. We do not have it in Kenya, at least even in the region, I think, because I've interacted with East African universities, Sokoine University, Makerere University, and I didn't find a course like this. What is available is students being trained to review literature, but not systematically. And also the other thing is when this course is offered, locally, then you'll have many more participants. You see, when it was offered in Europe, I think from Kenya we were only 2 participants. And we want to build a critical mass such that when it's done at university level, then you are able to train many more students who will make use of it the way I am using it.